my gosh, that is so perfect. Perfectly cooked green beans. Hello friends, welcome back to Dash of Spices. We are going to continue reviewing this dual blaze Cosori air fryer 6.8 quarts, and we're going to try cooking green beans, and let's see if it's going to work. So what I have here is the frozen green beans. This is just a great value Walmart brand. This is actually good. Just place that in the bowl, and then we're going to add olive oil or oil of your choice, garlic with Himalayan salt, onion powder, garlic powder. This is a salt-free seasoning blend. This is actually good. And Italian seasoning. All you have to do is mix this together. Also, I added a fresh garlic on top of it just to add a little aroma to it, and garlic makes it taste better actually. Now place this in a unit and simply click that Veggie Preset button. And after 3 minutes, I pull this out. Just want to make sure that I don't have to flip it. And I check the bottom of the green beans, and I don't have to flip it. Maybe because of the dual blaze. So this continue on for 3 minutes, and after that, oh my gosh, that is so perfect. Perfectly cooked green beans. These green beans turned out really good. I was so surprised because I didn't flip this on the other side or even give it a shake, which I normally do with the older air fryer. So again, it's worth it buying or upgrading your current air fryer to this dual blaze or dual burner air fryer. No need to flip it, no need to shake it, no need to even preheat it. Because of this dual blaze, it cooked the top and the bottom side. I hope you liked this video. Please check out the description box. I provided a link below where you could get this at Amazon. I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. Ciao!